Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to paint the calipers on the Evo X, but before that we're gonna have to fix this exhaust on this day. It looks like a hanger broke. We gotta fix that because I drive this thing way too much for that to just fall out, and it looks like it's putting a lot of stress on the test pipe and the mid pipe. So we're gonna do that first, and then we're gonna go paint some calipers. Back portion off, which is nice. The magnaflow, it's just a slip fit with a clamp. But when I bought this car, the exhaust hanger from the factory, the bolt had broken off into the subframe. So what I did is I welded this thing onto the spare tire well, and it just didn't hold. Like right now you can move it by hand. So we're gonna cut that off. I'm really not that good at drilling broken bolts out. I usually break the easy out in there, and I don't really want to deal with that today. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to grind the bolts down, and then I'm gonna end up welding a plate there, and that I can weld the hanger too. I was supposed to fix a hanger, but then this reared its ugly head. So now I am a whole project in on putting a different muffler in it. Which that's a muffler I found in the shed, probably from one of my old projects. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna get to the calipers today. So I'm just gonna keep going, because daily I drive every day and I gotta go to work tomorrow. So I'm gonna finish the exhaust, and then unfortunately we won't get to the calipers. If y'all have ever tacked anything under the car on the ground, it's really fucking hard. But we got it tacked. I'm gonna bring it over to the bench and finish weld it. I've said this before and I'll say it again. I should definitely get a TIG. But that'll work for now. That'll work. Fuck it, man. I only have a MIG. God damn it. But I really should buy a TIG because that would look so much better. But I'm not a professional welder. Just do it for fun. And that's not too bad, I would say. We're gonna put it back on the car and then we can see how it sounds. we gotta remove the silencer. Stupid. Pretty late when I finished the car last night, so I figured I'd get some shots today of how the exhaust sounds. It sounds pretty similar to that magnaflow I removed, but it looks better and it doesn't hang so low. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.